Hello, so this piano 7 tutorial played by Mike. So I'm going to break it down in the key of F major, yeah, the key of F major, and in the key of F sharp. Then I'll break it down in the key of C. So this 7 I've played it in this progression. Just taking an example in the key of F major. It's from the first note, then to the flat 7, then to the fourth, then back to the fifth. Yeah, first, 7, fourth, then the fifth. So when this 7 I've started it in the key of in the F major, but the first inversion. Yeah, the first inversion. The scale of F major is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then back to 1. So I've started it in the first inversion. You will play. Then you go to the first the root inversion, but at a high octave, but you omit the fifth. Are you seeing? Then back to. Hope you're seeing. This chord, it is a G minor chord, G sharp minor. But we are omitting this note, the B note. The 6, we come to the 6. This is the fourth chord in the scale of F major. The B flat chord, this one. But we are using the second inversion. So when you start it will be hope you are getting. You go to the first inversion of F, but you omit the third. Yeah, this note A. Then you go to the fifth. The fifth second inversion. The fifth the root inversion. The fifth is the C. But you go to the second inversion. Now here you use the G minor. Sorry, this was not the 6. This is the G minor. Yes, the G minor. You have the G minor first inversion. Sorry. Yes, first inversion. And the root inversion. First inversion, then the second inversion. So the 7 you will play like this. This 7. The left hand I'm going to post it in the next video. So when you play it in the F sharp, the F sharp is this is the F sharp. The scale is, so you will play. Just use the same knowledge I've explained in the key of F major. The same knowledge, but here I'm just breaking it down. But you just use the same knowledge I've used to explain. Let me just repeat it. just as I said, the bass it will be 1, then the flat 7, then to the 4th, then to the 5th. But I'll explain in the next video the bass lines that you can use to play that 7. Let me just repeat the right hand technique. Sorry. So I also want to explain this in the key of C. Yeah, there is my follower who asked me to be also breaking them down in the key of C. So in the key of C, the key of C is, this is the root chord C. So the scale is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, back to 1. So you will start this 7 in the first inversion, this one. Hope you are seeing. Hope you are seeing the way my hands are stretching. Yeah. Don't do this. Hope you are seeing that. Here you will use this one. Let me repeat. So the bass line in the key of C, the first. This is the first note. You get? Sorry. So that is the bass line in the key of C. So those who have not subscribed to my channel, those who have not subscribed to this channel, just subscribe to the channel. I'm going to post more videos. I post at least once in a week, and I'll be posting tutorials just to make sure that you learn, you get these things properly. And those, if you also want those 7s to be played in your key, probably you are playing G sharp, playing D, just send a comment box to that video, comment, like, and I'll break it down to your home key in the next tutorial. Thank you. Stay tuned. Those who have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and be blessed. Thank you.